Once upon a time, there was a young man named David who had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful businessman and make a positive impact on the world. David knew that achieving his dream would not be easy, but he was determined to make it happen. David started working towards his dream by attending college and studying business. He worked hard and excelled in his studies, but he knew that he needed more experience to be successful in the real world. So, he took an internship at a local company and worked long hours, often staying late to learn as much as he could. During his internship, David soaked up all the knowledge he could and was determined to make the most of this opportunity. He was so eager to learn that he often arrived early and stayed late, asking questions and taking notes. His hard work and dedication did not go unnoticed, and the company offered him a job after his internship ended. David's new job was at a startup, and it was a challenging position. He was responsible for many different tasks and had to work long hours to keep up with the demands of the job. But he enjoyed the fast-paced environment and the opportunity to learn new skills. He worked hard and quickly rose through the ranks, eventually becoming a manager. David's success did not come easily, and he had to work hard to achieve his goals. But he never gave up, even when things got tough. He knew that he still had a lot to learn and wanted to gain even more experience. So, he decided to start his own business. It was a risky move, but David was confident in his abilities and knew that he had the drive and determination to succeed. The first few months of David's new business were tough. He worked long hours and often felt like giving up. But he kept pushing forward, believing in himself and his dream. And slowly but surely, things started to fall into place. His business began to grow, and he started to make a real impact in the world. Today, David is a successful businessman who has achieved his dream of making a positive impact on the world. He is an inspiration to others who have big dreams, and he proves that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. So, if you have a dream, go for it. Believe in yourself and keep pushing forward, no matter how tough it gets. Success is within your reach if you just keep trying.